What if everything you know about making money is a lie? What if the 9-to-5 grind, the endless meetings, and the slow climb up the corporate ladder were all just a distraction? A system designed to keep you busy while the real opportunities, the life-changing ones, slip right past you. You've been told to work hard, but what if working smart was the real secret? A secret that has been kept from you until now. The world is changing faster than ever, and the old rules of wealth simply don't apply anymore. Number 1. Freelance AI prompt engineering. Imagine making money by simply talking to AI. No one saw this coming. We're not talking about coding or complex algorithms. We're talking about the art of conversation. Companies are spending billions to develop artificial intelligence, but these AIs are only as smart as the questions they're asked. Number 2. Selling digital collectibles, but think of it as NFT 2.0. Number 3. Remote cybersecurity auditing. This is where things get serious. Hackers are everywhere, but so are the people getting paid to stop them. Number 4. Virtual real estate flipping. Forget everything you know about property. Number 5. Subscription-based newsletters. What if your words could earn you thousands every month? Number 6. Voiceover work for AI training. This one is really mysterious. Number 7. Micro SaaS startups. This is incredibly dramatic. Tiny software, massive profits, if you know where to look. Number 8. Online course creation. This is so suspenseful. Number 9. Automated dropshipping. This hints at some serious secrets. This is e-commerce, but with robots doing the heavy lifting. Number 10. Social media ghostwriting. This is thrilling. Famous tweets, secret authors. Could you be one of them? Number 11. Investing in fractional real estate. This is so mysterious. Number 12. Print-on-demand merch. This is super engaging. Number 13. AI-powered stock trading. This is incredibly dramatic. Let algorithms make you money while you sleep. Number 14. Podcast monetization. This is so suspenseful. Your voice, your story, your income stream. Number 15. Virtual event hosting. This is super intriguing. The party's online and the host gets paid. Number 16. Selling digital templates. This is mysterious and powerful. Number 17. Affiliate marketing with micro-influencers. This is thrilling. Small followings, big commissions, if you know where to look. Number 18. Online tutoring for emerging skills. This is incredibly dramatic. Teach tomorrow's skills today. Number 19. Renting out smart devices. This is very intriguing. Your unused gadgets could be making you money right now. Number 20. Curated subscription boxes. This is suspenseful and exciting. Number 21. Data annotation for AI companies. This is one of the most mysterious on the list. Label data, train AI, collect your check. Number 22. Selling stock videos. This is super engaging. Shoot once, earn forever if you know the right buyers. Number 23. Remote notary services. This is dramatic and important. Legal signatures, digital world, real money. Number 24. Personalized video greetings. This is intriguing and fun. Number 25. Online fitness coaching. This is honestly suspenseful and inspiring. Number 26. Reselling limited edition sneakers. This is mysterious and exclusive. Number 27. Digital marketing consulting. This is thrilling and powerful. Number 28. Selling ebooks on niche topics. This is dramatic and inspiring. Number 29. Virtual assistant services. This is incredibly intriguing. Number 30. Crowdsourced problem solving. This is the final suspenseful hack. And there you have it. 30 ways to make money in 2025 that could completely change your life. The question is no longer, is it possible? The question is, what will you do with this information? Will you go back to scrolling, back to the comfort of the familiar, or will you pick one, just one, and take the first step into a new financial reality? And I've just given you 30 keys. But I can't walk through the door for you. That part is up to you. Your future is unwritten. The clock is ticking, and the biggest rewards go to those who move first. Subscribe for more secrets they don't want you to know. The next video could be the one that changes everything for you. Don't miss it.